This is about the best essay cleanser on the market. It's better does all the magic for me, honestly. My skin is coming alive. Is that a skincare blender? What's up guys, it's Brown Luca here and I am back with another skincare video. In today's routine, I'm going to be targeting my dark spots. As you guys can see here, I have dark spots from acne and all of that. So I'm going to be using a bunch of products, with my star product being this faded serum from Topicals. So first things first, I'm going to have to wash my face. I'm going to be using the oil-free acne wash from Neutrogena. It has about 2% salicylic acid. So if you're kind of like on the drier skin side, you might want to use a gentle cleanser. However, I have an oily skin type, so this is totally safe for me to use in this routine. I'm using a salicylic acid cleanser just because I want to get rid of my dead skin cells for a better penetration of the products I'm about to use. So we go. So this should go on for about a minute, and then we're just going to rinse it off. My face is very clean, but not squeaky clean, and it's not even dry at all. Like, this is about the best essay cleanser on the market, period. So now I'm going to go in with this toner from COSRX. It has about 7 types of hyaluronic acid and it's really hydrating. So I'm just going to use that one to prep my skin for the drying product that is yet to come. I'm just going to pat it into my skin like so. I love to layer my toners just for more hydration. So in this routine, I'm going to be layering my toner using this Tony Moly value for your money toner. It is a ceramide toner that I really love. Wait, let me shake it. So it has a little thick consistency and it is really hydrating. Just look at that. So you're going to take it to your neck as well, and then we're just going to pat it in like so. My skin is coming alive, and then we're going to use the snail mucin power essence for extra hydration, like so. So I use quite a lot. Normally some people just go with 2 pumps, but I use like 4. I don't know, I just love it. You know what's crazy? People don't like this product because of its sliminess, but that's exactly what I love about the product, right? So to an extent, I feel like my skin is protected, it's well hydrated, and can take any active I lay on it right now. Alright, let's talk about this product while my face dries down. It has a lot of brightening ingredients like kojic acid, tranexamic acid, melatonin, niacinamide, licorice root, and azelaic acid. And basically, these ingredients I just listed help to slow down the skin's melanin production, which in turn helps to get rid of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, discoloration, whatever. Anyways, this is my first time using this product and I'm really excited about it, to be honest. It's time to use this product. So, whoa. Anyways, it smells so bad. Like, I don't like the smell at all. What the hell? God, it smells so bad. Like, I already heard that the product smelled really bad, but I didn't expect the smell at all, if I'm being honest. Okay, so after that, we're just going to wait for about 20 minutes. I always wait for 20 minutes after using any treatment before I go in with my moisturizer, just so I get my money's worth. So after using drying products like that, you want to make sure to moisturize properly. I'm going to be using this product from Iliyun. It is the ceramide atoll concentrate cream, and basically it's just going to help me like restore my skin barrier and all of that. It's quite thick, so you might want to use something lighter if you have something lighter. I'm not going anywhere today, so I don't mind a little bit of oily skin. Okay. I think I took a little bit too much. Let me just put this on my palm. So we're almost at the end of our routine, but never forget to moisturize your lips, like so. We're almost good to go. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up right now, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Bye.